Hello flockers, how's everybody doing? This is a special video that I'm doing for my dear sweet friend, the lovely, the one, the only BettsyDoodle, Miss D. Webster from England. It is her birthday and I want to wish her a very happy birthday. Dee, I love you with I love you so very much, and I'm so happy that it's your birthday, and I hope you have a great day. Celebrate your 60th like it's your 16th, and I wish you many, many, many more happy birthdays. I do. Mr. Doodle contacted me and said that he wanted to do a little payback. So if you remember, we all sent you cards that you tucked away and hid for Mr. Doodle's 60th, and then you surprised him on his day, on his birthday, with all of the cards, and he really liked it. And he said that he wanted to do the same for you. So, here's my card. Let me switch to the overhead, and let me get the packaging out of the way. And this is a little tricky. It is. It's a little bit tricky, so we'll have to explain it. And in case you are not familiar with, just hang on one second. If you're not familiar with this process that I've come up with, I will show you this piece, which is sold, and I have to mail it out. This is my Starry Night, my version of Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, and what I've done is I've changed the scene to match Ashe County, North Carolina, where I live. We have a lot of Christmas tree farms. Ashe County is the largest producer of Christmas trees in the country. So we do have a lot of Christmas trees, and we're in the mountains, so we have lots of mountains. And I was recently saved, so I made the church larger, and there's the pastor's house, and I've added the 3 crosses to this piece. So this one has actually sold, and I have to ship it out the same day I ship this card out. But now let's move to your card. I decided that I would do a heart, and it's a purple heart. It starts out purple, and then it goes red, and then I do the purple again. So what I've done is I rolled hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of paper tubes, and then I paint them to the colors that I need, and then I flatten them out and I place them where they need to go. So that's my process. And I finish the edges with paper tubes, so they're all tucked in together and everything looks nice. So this is your card, and it does need a bit of instruction. I have affixed it to a card that I've made, and I do not know how to make cards, so take it for what it's worth. But this is your instructions. You may peel it off. I've just used little square, what do you call it? Square mounts, if you will. So you can pull the card off of it. And these, my dear, you're going to use those to hang them. And I'll zoom in so you know what we're looking at. So yes, dear, I'm sending you garters or things. I don't know. I think they're called garters. So somebody had sent this to me. It's a vintage packet, and it's real cute. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this out. I've made a little pocket for it here, like that. And then, of course, I've decorated the back for you as well. And I wrote you a very messy note, so I hope you can read it. So this is how you're going to hang it. This piece was made on a piece of heavy-duty cardstock. So we'll pretend this is the back of the piece. So you're going to take your garters off your package. And you're going to glue them to the back of this. And you can spread them out however you want. Okay. Let's make sure you can get the whole thing. Okay. And actually this has to go like this. Okay, so we're going to pretend that that's glued on. Okay, so that's been glued on. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take these buttons out. And you're going to get this hinge out of your way. You're going to put a little nail right through there or a flat thumbtack and put that on your wall. One there too. And then you'll just slide the buttons back. So there you go. So that's how you're going to hang this piece on the wall. I'll zoom out to give you the whole shebang here. There you go. So that's how it gets hung. So now you know why I've included garters in your birthday card. And that wraps up this video. So let me switch back to the camera. There we go. So Dee, I hope you have a wonderful, fabulous, fun-filled, and love and laughter birthday. Congratulations on your 60th birthday. I love you, oodles and a bunch. And Mr. Dinky Doo says happy birthday and brow. And I'm sending you tons and tons and tons of love and hugs from across the pond. Happy birthday, Dee. So long, everybody.